Hello everyone. So in this video today we are discuss about the cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycle, this question is important for the exam and it can be asked in 10 marks also in physiology. So let's see about the some knowledge regarding cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycle means the definition is it is the succession of coordinated events taking place in the heart during each beat. Okay, so it is the coordinated and succession of coordinated events which occur into the heart માં થશે when during each beat. So this is the definition of cardiac cycle, the succession of coordinated events taking place in heart during each beat. The normal cardiac cycle time, that is zero point 0.8 second. You have to remember this question is asked in viva also, okay, normal cardiac cycle time, so that is 0.8 second. Then another question is normal heart rate. So the normal heart rate is 72 beats per minute. Now the events of cardiac cycle. So in cardiac cycle we have two events, the atrial events and the ventricular events. Okay, in atrial events we have two again, atrial systole and atrial diastole. In ventricular events again we have two, ventricular systole and ventricular diastole. Now the time, so atrial systole is time, that is 0.1 second. So total is 0.8. So આપણે 0.8 માંથી 0.1 you can minus, so the diastole time is 0.7. Then ventricular systole is 0.3. So you can minus 0.8 minus 0.3. So the ventricular diastole time, that is 0.5. Now ventricular events. So first is ventricular systole. Systole means contraction and diastole means the relaxation of the heart. So you can remember this term, systole means contraction and diastole means relaxation. So ventricular systole, in that we have two phase again, isometric contraction period and ejection period. And in ventricular diastole, we study about the protodiastole, isometric relaxation period, rapid filling phase and the slow filling phase. Here in this diagram, first that is atrial diastole. So in this diagram, here the right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. Here the tricuspid valve is present and here bicuspid valve present. Now the blood come from the body via the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava into the right atrium. ઓકે, એટલે કે સુપિરિયર વેના કાવામાંથી અને ઇન્ફિરિયર વેના કાવામાંથી બ્લડ જે હશે રાઇટ એટ્રિયમમાં આવશે એન્ડ લેફ્ટ એટ્રિયમમાં બ્લડ ક્યાંથી આવશે? તો લંગમાંથી પલ્મોનરી વેઇન થ્રુ ઓક્સિજનેટેડ બ્લડ આવશે લેફ્ટ એટ્રિયમમાં. So this is about the resting or the relaxation period of the atria, so that is known as the atrial diastole. The next is atrial systole. So assume I just draw about the left side of the heart. Same procedure can occur into the right side also. So here this is left atrium, left ventricle, AV valve, that is bicuspid valve, and this is aorta. Okay, so the contraction occur in systole phase. Okay, so atria get contracted, that is left atrium નું શું થશે? Contraction. So atria contract and small amount of blood go into the ventricles. Atria contract થશે એટલે bicuspid valve જે છે open થશે and blood go into the left ventricle. So normally whenever the valve open, 80% filling is already done, and when valve get open, so 20% blood go into the left ventricle. Okay, so if any pathology with valve opening and closing, so the problem is not so much. So it is just at 20% of filling whenever the valve is open. So this is about the atrial systole phase. Third is ventricular systole. Ventricles અને systole means contraction. તો ventricle નું contraction થશે. હવે blood આવી ગયું left atrium માંથી left ventricle માં. Okay, so the pressure increase in the left ventricle. So the this valve is closed now because it prevent the backflow of the blood into the left atrium. આ valve close થઈ જશે. કેમ? કારણ કે blood again વધારે પ્રેશરથી ઓછા તરફ ન જાય એટલા માટે. So here AV valve close, but semilunar valve, this valve, aortic valve, which is not open till yet. Okay, એટલે બંને valve close છે. So this phase is known as the isometric contraction period, and in this phase pressure increase in the ventricles because semilunar valve also closed and the AV valve also closed, and pressure increase in the left ventricle. So this phase is known as the isometric contraction period or isovolumetric contraction period. Then fourth phase, that is ejection period. Now the semilunar valve get open. હવે આ valve open થઈ જશે. So the sudden rush of blood ejected out from the left ventricle. This is left ventricle. તો blood હવે ક્યાં જશે? valve open થઈ ગયું એટલે aortaમાં જશે. So ventricles contract and blood ejected out from the left ventricle and semilunar valve get open, which produce the first heart sound, lub. Okay. So first heart sound is lub, that is produced due to the pressure increase into the ventricle. So the semilunar valve get open and it produce the first heart sound. So this is about the ejection period. Then protodiastole. So protodiastole means what? The semilunar valves are closed. હવે આ valve close થઈ ગયું because કે બધું blood aorta માં આવી ગયું. So semilunar valve are closed at the end of this period. It produce the second heart sound. એટલે કે જ્યારે semilunar valve get open, that produce first heart sound, and when the semilunar valve get closed, that produce the second heart sound S2, that is dub. The next phase is isometric relaxation period, or we can say isovolumetric relaxation period. In that all the semilunar and AV valve are closed. આપણ closed છે, આપણ closed છે. Okay, so the pressure in ventricle, here pressure in ventricle which is reduced, so that is known as the isometric relaxation period. Understand? In isometric contraction pressure in ventricle increase, but in isometric relaxation pressure in ventricle which is reduced means ochu, so decrease pressure in ventricle. The all valve are closed, semilunar and atrioventricular valve also. So that's why this phase is known as the isometric or isovolumetric relaxation period. Now the last phase, that is rapid and slow filling phase. In that what occurred? The AV valve open. હવે શું થશે? બ્લડ આવ્યું ફ્રોમ લંગ્સમાંથી શું થશે? રાઈટ ફ્રોમ લંગ્સમાંથી આવશે લેફ્ટ એટ્રિયમમાં અને બોડીમાંથી આવશે રાઈટ એટ્રિયમમાં. સો હવે અહીંયા બ્લડ બધું ભરાઈ ગયું, કલેક્ટ થયું. સો AV valve open and ventricle relax and filling occurs. એટલે હવે વેન્ટ્રિકલમાં બધી બ્લડની ફિલિંગ થશે. So AV valve open, that produce the third heart sound because of rushing of blood into ventricles from atria. So in this phase rapid and slow filling phases occur. Rapid means the sudden rush of the blood, and slow filling phase means कि after rapid filling phase the blood flow becomes slow, so that is known as the slow filling phase. So this is the diagram you can draw in exam whenever the question is asked for the 10 marks, and that is cardiac cycle. So you have to draw this diagram also. Now the explanation of this all diagrams. So first is ventricular systole. In that we have two phases, isometric contraction and ejection period. Okay, so first is isometric contraction or isovolumetric contraction. It is the first phase of ventricle systole. Systole means the contraction. Due to increased ventricle pressure, the AV valve closed and the semilunar valve open, but pressure increase in ventricle. Okay, isometric contraction means the pressure increase in the ventricle, but it is the first phase of ventricle systole, and all valve which remain closed, that's why it is known as isometric contraction period. Second phase is ejection period. Now શું થશે? વેન્ટ્રિકલમાં સિસ્ટોલ થયું એટલે હવે શું થશે? બ્લડ આવશે. ઓકે, એટલે ઇજેક્શન થશે બ્લડનું. સો semilunar valve open now. Due to opening of semilunar valve, blood is ejected out of both the ventricles. So this period is known as ejection period. Ejection means come out. Okay, so ejection period means blood come out from the ventricles and go further. So that is known as the ejection period, which produce the first heart sound during semilunar valve is open. Then what is end diastolic volume? So end diastolic volume means the ventricles are not empty at the end of ejection period. Ejection period થઈ ગયું, ventricle માંથી blood જતું રહ્યું aorta અથવા તો pulmonary artery માં, so બધું blood ખાલી નથી થઈ જતું. Okay, some amount of blood remain in ventricles, that is known as the end diastolic volume. The volume remain in the ventricles at the end of ejection period, that is known as the end diastolic volume. What is ejection fraction? So this terminology can ask in viva. So end diastolic volume, ejection fraction. Ejection fraction means it helps to assess the ventricle contractility. So the ejection fraction is equal to stroke volume upon end diastolic volume. Okay, so the normal value for the ejection fraction is 70 ml, that is normal value. So you have to remember this for viva. Now second phase, that is ventricular diastole. So in ventricular diastole we have protodiastole, isometric relaxation period, rapid filling phase and slow filling phase. चार છે એની અંદર subtype. So first is protodiastole. It is the first stage of ventricular diastole when intraventricular pressure become less than aorta and pulmonary artery. હવે શું થશે, વેન્ટ્રિકલનું બધું બ્લડ જતું રહ્યું એઓર્ટામાં, તો એઓર્ટામાં પ્રેશર વધી ગયું અને ઇન્ટ્રાવેન્ટ્રિક્યુલર પ્રેશર ઓછું થઈ ગયું. સો વેન ધ ઇન્ટ્રાવેન્ટ્રિક્યુલર પ્રેશર બીકમ લેસ દેન ધ એઓર્ટા એન્ડ પલ્મોનરી આર્ટરી, ધ સેમિન્યુલર વાલ્વ ગેટ ક્લોઝડ એન્ડ that produce the second heart sound, that is S2. That sound is dub. Okay, first heart sound that is lub and second heart sound that is dub. Then isometric relaxation period. Same like isometric contraction, but in this phase the ventricle are in the relaxed stage, the pressure in ventricles which is decreased, so that is known as the isometric relaxation period. Isometric relaxation, also known as isovolumetric relaxation. So in this phase relaxation means all valve are closed, AV valve also closed and semilunar valve also closed, but difference is the pressure in ventricles which is decreased, so that's why it is known as isometric relaxation period. Then third phase, that is rapid filling phase. Filling એટલે કે બ્લડનું ફિલિંગ થવું, રેપિડ એટલે કે સડનલી. So the sudden rush of blood, AV valve open and ventricles relax and filling occur. ફિલિંગ શેમાં થશે, એટ્રિયમમાંથી વેન્ટ્રિકલ્સમાં, અને સડન થશે because of the AV valve get open, so that produce the third heart sound and it is 70%. So remember, the third heart sound produced when the sudden rush of blood come into the ventricles due to the opening of AV valve. Fourth phase, slow filling phase. Okay, after sudden rush of blood, filling becomes slow in ventricles, that called as the diastasis. Okay, diastasis. This question is asked in viva also, and it is up to 20%. So total is 90%. 10% is still remaining. So let's see the other phase in atria. So atrial systole. In that we have one subtype, that is last rapid filling phase. Okay, it occurred because of atrial systole. Atrial systole thase, atria contract and push small amount of blood into ventricles, and it is 10% known as the atrial kick. Atrial kick means that whenever the atria get contract, the small amount of blood go into the ventricles. That phase is up to 10% and that is known as the atrial kick. The contraction of atrial muscle produce fourth heart sound. Remember this, the contraction of atrial muscle produce the fourth heart sound. And the last phase, that is atrial diastole. So after atrial systole, the atrial diastole occur. In this phase, right atrium receive the deoxygenated blood from the all our body through the inferior and superior vena cava. Okay, in diagram we can see. And left atrium receive blood, oxygenated blood from the lungs through pulmonary veins. That is atrial diastole. હવે એટ્રિયલ ડાયસ્ટોલમાં બધું બ્લડ આવી ગયું, દેન એટ્રિયલ સિસ્ટોલ થશે, એટ્રિયલ સિસ્ટોલ થશે એટલે વેન્ટ્રિકલમાં બ્લડ જશે, વેન્ટ્રિકલ સિસ્ટોલ થશે એટલે એઓર્ટા અને પલ્મોનરી આર્ટરીમાં બ્લડ જશે. તો આ રીતે આખી કાર્ડિયાક સાયકલ થયા કરશે. So this is all about the cardiac cycle and its phases. So revise, in cardiac cycle we have two events, atrial events and ventricular events. In atrial events, we have two, atrial systole and atrial diastole. Okay, and in ventricular events, we have ventricular systole and ventricular diastole. In ventricular systole, we have isometric contraction and ejection period, and in ventricular diastole, we have protodiastole, isometric relaxation, rapid and slow filling phase. So this is all about the cardiac cycle, and the normal time for the cardiac cycle, that is 0.8 second. Thank you.